Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Click Amazon. Today's video is about Gillette Intimate Men's Pubic Waterproof Trimmers for Men. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist in making a decision. After extensive research, I chose this product to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Introducing Gillette's gentle and simple intimate shaving lineup, which treats your skin with the appropriate attention. For gentle and simple trimming below the waist, Gillette Intimate Pubic Trimmer is the brand's first pubic hair trimmer for men. The two interchangeable skin-protecting shields are used to trim hair. With its cordless design and skin-first technology, this electric pubic trimmer reduces the chance of cutting or nicking the sensitive skin. This electric men's pubic hair trimmer is operated by Braun and has a strong Li-ion rechargeable battery with a 100-minute runtime. You can effortlessly trim anytime you want, wherever you want with this male pubic hair trimmer that is waterproof and can be used wet or dry. The Gillette Intimate Pubic Trimmer includes a charger, 2 lengths of interchangeable guards, a hair-removing brush, and a plush carrying case. You won't need to make a plan while using Gillette Intimate Grooming because your routine is so easy and straightforward. Use the full Gillette Intimate Grooming range to help you protect pubic hair against shave irritation, and maintain your pubic hair and skin for a thorough personal grooming regimen. Package dimensions: 10.94 times 5.39 times 2.32 inches, 13.12 ounces. Item model number: 5544. Batteries: 1 lithium-ion batteries required. Included: UPC 047400684652. Manufacturer: Procter & Gamble. Country of origin: Mexico. Versatile pubic hair trimmer. 3 detachable protective combs are included with the gentle pubic hair trimmer. A body comb, a sensitive comb, and an adjustable sliding comb, 3 to 11 mm, to match your particular grooming requirements. Designed to minimize irritation. This dermatologist-tested pubic trimmer uses skin-first technology, which uses sparsely spaced blades to reduce the risk of nicks, cuts, and skin irritation. Waterproof and cordless. The potent Li-ion rechargeable battery offers up to 100 minutes of cordless trimming and is waterproof for use in the shower. Quiet and lightweight design. For the best maneuverability and precision when shaving your private areas as part of your manscaping routine, consider a quiet, simple-to-use cordless shaver with a lightweight design and non-slip handle. Caring for your trimmer. After each usage, wash your electric trimmer by soaking it in hot water and letting it air dry. No need for replacing blades.
Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and comment below. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. To buy the product of your choice, go to the first comment and click on the product link. Thank you.